Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a foundation review and also like a first impressions because I have not tried this product before. In today's video, we are going to be trying out the new Colourpop No Filter Foundation Stick. I was shocked when I saw this online, like, hello, a foundation stick from Colourpop. That is insane. I do have their liquid version already up on my channel in case you are interested. That was definitely not my cup of tea, but we'll see if this worked out or if it was shit. Before we get started into the review though, if you're not yet a part of our TSQUAD family, you would like to join, don't forget to subscribe in the link down below. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so YouTube alerts you every time I upload a video. Don't forget to like my video if you like my reviews or first impressions on products that companies launch. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat because when I'm not here, I'm most likely over there. So go follow me there. And with that being said, guys, literally 8:14 at night. So I have been filming for an hour, I want to say. And I did not want to do my hair. Like, this is literally my natural hair. You guys want to see how crazy my natural hair is? Like, you guys, does anybody else have this type of hair? Like, how is this even possible? Like, I look like a bruja, you know what I mean? If you want to know my thoughts on the brand new Colourpop No Filter Foundation Stick, then let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and prime my skin. It is like super late at night already. It is 7:01, like it just hit 7. And it's because I just got 2 packages in the mail. I just received the Colourpop No Filter Foundation Stick as well as my microphone. So hopefully the audio is a little bit better. I have been waiting for this microphone, so hopefully the audio is better. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin with the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. I absolutely love this stuff, and because I'm gonna go right back to sleep, I'm not gonna apply a lot because this shit is expensive, you know? I feel like it's such a good purchase. As you guys can see, I am almost out of this. This is super good. I don't really use any moisturizer but this one because I feel like this one just does the job. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it onto my skin. And I have not worn makeup all day. I've been like out and about with no makeup. Like my cousin told me today, like, oh my god, Tanya, why aren't you wearing makeup? Like, what happened to you? And it was so funny because I never go out anywhere without makeup. But because I was waiting for the foundation to get delivered, and it just did like an hour ago, so that's why. Again, I just want to disclaim this before I get started. Makeup is different on everybody. What might work out for me might not work out for you, and vice versa. I feel like I have to say that every single time, you know, in my videos, because sometimes when I don't like a product, people like to get butthurt. So alright guys, so up next I'm going to go ahead and take some of the Revlon Photo Ready Pore Reducing Primer. And I'm only going to wear this on one side of my face because I found that with the original liquid version of the foundation, my pores were like super visible. So I'm just going to apply this right here on the area where I get like super large intense pores, which is on my cheek area and around my nose. And I'm only going to apply it on this side of my face. Colourpop is super inexpensive and their packaging usually looks pretty simple, but I like it. You know, it's like a simple kind of packaging. It just says the No Filter Foundation Stick. I did get mine in the shade Light 70W, which I'm pretty sure it's going to be a little bit too off, but it's okay, we're going to make it work. And then this is how much product you get. You do get 9.5 grams of product. So for the Makeup Revolution one, you do get 6.2 grams of product, which is way less. So in the Colourpop foundation, you do get a little bit more product. So usually foundation sticks don't really come with a lot of product anyways. This retails for $10, which in my opinion, I feel like it is super inexpensive. And if it is a bomb product, like hello, like the price is just amazing. It says it's a weightless, medium buildable coverage for a natural skin-like finish. It says it blurs the pores, covers blemishes, and blends effortlessly. And it says it is never cakey or never drying. So I'm excited how it says it blurs the pores because I have super intense, large pores. And it's rare when I find a foundation that actually does the job. I do have combination skin. I get oily on my T-zone only. Foundation usually separates around my nose and it accentuates my pores like super bad, because this is like my problematic area here. My rosacea doesn't look too bad right now, and I feel like it's because I have not been wearing makeup for like the past 2 days. As always, I like to apply stick foundations with a brush. I feel like that's, you know, the best way that they blend out on my skin. But for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to do half of my face with a brush, half of it with a beauty blender, and then we'll see which one gives me like the best coverage or whatever. So I'm just going to pull some out like this, and we'll start on this side. This is the side where I have no pore filling primer. Ooh, it feels really creamy. Actually, you know what? This shade might be good. I do have like an olivey yellow undertone to my skin, so, and I don't even know like how much should I apply. Should we just go in with that? Probably, huh? So I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty blender and blend this out. I do feel like I am tugging, and I feel like it's because of the beauty blender. Like I said, stick foundations, I normally blend them out with the brush and then go over it with a beauty blender to kind of smooth everything out. But we'll see. This is half of my face. You can still see my redness right here, like it's not covering up my redness, but I feel like it gave me light coverage. Like it's a very like natural-esque kind of foundation, as you guys can see. I'm gonna go in with one layer on this side with the brush. And for this side, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe G1. This is my favorite brush to blend out foundation. I also like this one. This is the Morphe E6, but this one I like it more for like liquidy foundations, and I like this one for stick foundations just because I get a much more grip. I'm sure you guys can see off the bat that it is giving me a little bit better coverage with the brush rather than with the sponge. I wouldn't say it's a completely dewy foundation, and it's not super matte, but it does have kind of like a satiny kind of finish to it. Like there's like a grip, you know what I mean? Like you can't really see shine or like dew from within. So I'm gonna go ahead and build this up right here and on my nose. And around my mouth, which is my problematic area right here. And I'm gonna go in with a brush, and then I'll go back in with a beauty blender. And you can definitely still see my redness peeking through. I feel like it's not covering completely right here. That would be the only thing, and you can definitely still see freckles right here. But other than that, I feel like it looks really good. I like it. I like it. It's not clinging anywhere. I feel like it looks good, despite the fact that it's not giving me like full coverage, because I am a full coverage kind of girl. Foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, handy dandy Tarte Shape Tape, like hello, it's Mew. I'm gonna apply a little bit right here. And I'm gonna apply some on my nose just because I know I'm not getting like super intense coverage with this foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out. Okay, so I feel like I highlighted a little bit, and I also got a little bit more coverage underneath my eyes where my rosacea was peeking through. I feel like I got a little bit more coverage there, so I really like how everything is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and do some cream contour, powder my face with my normal powder, finish up the rest of my makeup, and then come back and kind of give you guys my final thoughts, let you guys know how everything blended on top of the foundation. But so far, I feel like it looks very natural-like. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so this is what the final and completed look is looking like. I really do like how everything looks. I feel like it looks very natural. It looks very skin-like per se. It's not clinging anywhere. It looks pretty good. I feel like it does have more of a satiny matte finish. I'm curious to see if this will last throughout the day because it looks pretty nice on camera. I feel like it looks bomb. Like, it looks pretty nice, you know what I mean? For it to be a medium coverage foundation, because I feel like you can get it to full, but I feel like it's just gonna look too heavy and cakey and drying on the skin. Whereas right now, I feel like the concealer just kind of helped it look a little bit more full coverage. But yeah guys, this was my review on the brand new No Filter Foundation Stick by Colourpop. By far, I feel like it is my favorite. I would prefer this over the liquid version that they have, and I feel like I didn't even use a lot of product on my skin. Now, if you have acne or scarring or anything like that and you would want to like build it to full coverage, I just recommend you go in with a concealer and kind of build it up that way. I just wouldn't recommend you layering this. And as I always say in like every bomb Colourpop product review video, I do not know how they do it. $10 is pretty affordable. I feel like it beats a lot of drugstore foundations and a lot of high-end stick foundations that are way more, you know? I feel like this is a foundation for like an everyday kind of go-to, or if you're the type of person that doesn't really like foundation, but you want to cover up, you know, some type of discoloration in your skin, I don't know, cover up blemishes, or just like an on-the-go kind of thing. I feel like you would really like this and appreciate it because yeah, it looks bomb. So I'm excited to continue to use this here on my channel and share with you guys if it lasts a really long time, because I feel like right now it looks bomb, and I feel like for the price point, I really am loving it. This is definitely a go-getter. $10 guys, $10. With that being said guys, don't forget to like this video if you like my foundation reviews. And also let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to review any other product launching. Also, if you're not yet a part of our TSQUAD family and you would like to join, don't forget to subscribe in the link down below. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so YouTube alerts you every time I upload a video. And with that being said guys, I think that is it for today's video. I really like how everything looks. It's giving me like major fall vibes, if you know what I mean. Definitely rocking my natural hair, but hello, I had no option. It's really late at night and I really want to get this video up for you guys tonight. So I will catch you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.